Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries, particularly in South Asia. Its vibrant yellow hue and distinctive flavor make it a beloved ingredient in curries, sauces, and teas. Yet, beyond its gastronomic appeal, turmeric harbors a trove of medicinal virtues. In ancient Ayurvedic traditions, turmeric was prized for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial attributes. It was routinely employed to alleviate an array of maladies, from digestive ailments to arthritis and skin disorders. The primary bioactive compound responsible for its therapeutic potency is curcumin, extensively researched for its potential health benefits. Contemporary studies continue to affirm turmeric's historical acclaim, indicating its efficacy in managing conditions like osteoarthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. Particularly noteworthy are its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which offer promise in mitigating inflammation and pain. Moreover, turmeric has transcended its medicinal role to infiltrate the realm of cosmetics, often integrated into skincare products for its purported skin brightening and acne-reducing effects. With an illustrious past and mounting scientific validation, turmeric remains an indispensable fixture, enriching both culinary experiences and holistic well-being practices worldwide.